Hey boys and girls, I'm just going to quickly explain today's maths worksheet. So what you need to do is we're going to be using the shape tool today, and we're going to be making some data displays. Now at the top of our sheet we have a table. Now sometimes they might have tally marks on them, but today we've got numbers, which are nice and easy to work with. So what I need to do is represent this data on this table, or sorry, this bar graph and this picture graph. Now we have in the first one a bar graph, so we're going to use the rectangle tool. So up here in shapes, come down to this one, and then the very first one is what we're going to be using. So I'm going to come to dog, left click about here, yeah, that'll do, and then bring it out to the number 14. Now I'm holding the left mouse to do this, and the reason I bring it to 14 is because that's how many people were surveyed for dogs. And you can do that for each of these. So dogs, cats will come out to 10, and birds are 6. Now the bottom one's a little bit trickier. Now we have to use the smiley face, which is right here. But we have a new rule, which is for each smiley face, it represents 2 students. So what we need to do is we need to figure out how many that is for dog, which is going to be a little bit tricky. So what we need to do is take 14 and divide it by 2, or cut it in half. So what makes 14? 2 sevens. So we're going to need 7 smiley faces. So 1, and this can get a bit tricky, but you can just copy and paste as well. It's easier. 2, and that's what I'm actually going to do. It's going to let me copy and then Control and V, paste them along. And now I have 6 more. Okay, 7 smiley faces representing 14 students. Now for cat, you chop that in half and that will give you 2 5s, so you need to do 5 smiley faces. For bird, you chop it in half and it'll give you 2 3s, which means 3 smiley faces, and on. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you need any more in the comments, and I'll get to you straight away.